Yo, what's up? Stefan from 1200 Light Years here. And I know you guys are dearly waiting for an update on part 2, crafting my new single silicon-based liveforms. And you're getting it soon. Actually, right now I'm working on it, so stay tuned for that. But today I thought I'd just show you around my studio. Right now, the place is still a little bit unconventional. As you can see, there are lots of sci-fi artworks from the 70s and 80s, but I also do have retro computers here. So it's a little bit of a mess, and I'm trying to get the computers into a different place so that I have more place here for music gear, which is everyone's dream, right? Let's start with a pretty unusual space here in the studio. In this corner, I do have a Roland E-drum set. Love it. I play it very often. Here's my guitar, or one of my guitars. This is a Boden NX standard 7-string from Strandberg. Strandberg makes absolutely fantastic guitars. It's an absolute beast. I tuned it to drop A, so I'm very flexible. Yeah, it's a game changer, man. Can't say anything bad about it. Yeah, coming here, this is what I usually use to mix and master. I'm not a box guy. I have Neumann earphones. I love them. Amazing clarity and great neutral sound, exactly what you want for productions. I do have boxes, yes, but I actually rarely use them. So here in this rack, you can see my RME interface. It's an UCX2. I just love RME. Their stuff is absolutely nuts. Best drivers ever. So reliable. They have a software that comes with it called Total Mix, which allows you to patch everything virtually. It's just amazing. Above, I do have a Behringer ADAT extension. So it's actually connected to my interface and controlled by my interface, because you never can have enough inputs, right? Yeah, the boxes, by the way, are from Yamaha. Studio boxes. Here is a gremlin holding my Shure Beta microphone. That's what I'm usually using when I'm live on stage. There is a MacBook. It's a M3 Max, and yeah, it's an absolute beast. This little thingy here allows me to control the RME interface. It's the ARC USB, also from RME. As you can see, I do have a Apple display, which you don't need for production. You can use any display, but you know, once you're in the ecosystem, you want one. I do have a few synths here that are always connected, and I can just switch them on and start playing. This is Arturia's MiniFreak. Amazing synth. Also, especially if you're just starting to get into hardware synths, it's an absolute beast. I bought it and for, I don't know, 500 something euros. It's not very expensive, and I thought, you know, there's nothing you can do wrong with it. And as it turns out, it's a massive great synth. So either you're a beginner or you're advanced, it will give you anything you need. This little thing here, that's a true classic. That's the Roland JP-8000. You might have heard of the synth. It's basically the one synth of the 90s, iconically known for the super saw sound, and famously used in trance music. So, but I can assure you can do more than trance with it. Yeah, my DAW of choice is Ableton, and I hooked up, as you can see, the Ableton Push to it. I just love how Ableton works together with the Ableton Push, because it creates like a very, very haptic experience when you're playing and performing, when you're producing, mixing, mastering. Haptic experience is what I'm in for, so I just love it. Here on this stand, the stand is from Rode. You can see a Neumann microphone. This is actually my main microphone when I'm recording my vocals. And here in this corner, you have a lava lamp, because I feel like every studio that doesn't have a lava lamp has lost all sense for reality. And you know, if you search long enough, you will see many iconic figures in the studio with a lava lamp. David Bowie, for example, or the Beatles. So must have. And here, almost a little bit in the back seat, is a Charvel guitar from the late 80s. This used to be my main guitar for many, many years. It's a 6-string guitar, made in Japan. Great piece of gear. Yeah, and I think that's pretty much it. So feel free to leave any comment if you have any questions. And yeah.